Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the unboxing of the Backbone 1 Gen 2 for iPhone and for Android with USB-C. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get inside. Okay, so here's the Backbone 1. I picked this up. I'm a little late to the party. I know that there's been a lot of reviews on this, but I wanted to pick one of these up and try it out for myself. So it says it's made for iPhone and it works with Android. It works with the Apple Arcade, the Xbox Game Pass, Google Play Pass, Steam, and GeForce Now, as well as Luna. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got inside the box. Okay, so we're greeted with just the nice black box. Has Backbone across here. Let's go ahead and open that up. And as we open it up, we can see we've got the Backbone controller. Up here at the top, it looks like we've got some adapters. So we'll take a look at those. I believe those adapters are for you to be able to use your phone in a case, and then the ones I think that come on it are for smaller phones without a case. So we'll go ahead and pull that out, see if we get anything else in here. Okay, looks like we got some paperwork, and that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and set the box off to the side. All right, so first we've got the Backbone controller. It's got spring action here. You can see that. We've got our controllers on both sides. So this has X, A, B, and Y. So this is the Xbox version. They also have a PlayStation-inspired one as well. We've got joysticks here. We've got a D-pad. Looks like this is probably the button for accessing the Backbone. And we've got our shoulder controllers at the top. On the bottom, we have a USB-C port, and we also have a 3.5 millimeter head jack that can be used for gaming. So this will also work with your PC or other devices. All right, so let's go ahead and grab a device and stick it on here. So I've got my Pixel 8 Pro here, so we'll go ahead and try it out with this one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see if the adapters in here, it looks like these adapters are not going to work with the case, so let's go ahead and put in the other adapters. You can simply flip the device up, and there are some grooves here that you can just take your fingernail or your finger and just pull those out to the side. So we've got one there. Those just slide out real easy. We'll go ahead and open up this little arrow here. Okay, and it looks like we've got the other units. So this one with the cutout here is going to go on the USB-C side. Let's see, so it should just snap right in there. And then we'll take the other one, pop it in there, and then we'll go ahead and pop our phone in. Yeah, so this one you can see will support the case. There we go. And now we've got the phone in the case, button lit up, so it is recognizing the controller. So next step is you need to download the Backbone application. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll open up the Google Play Store and we'll just search for Backbone. And there we go. So we'll go ahead and install that. We'll let that install and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, so that's done installing. Let's go ahead and open up the Backbone application. And it looks like we are greeted It says welcome to Backbone. Press the A button to continue. So we'll go ahead and press A. It says welcome to Backbone. Next level play now in your hands. So it looks like we can continue using Google or Apple. I'm going to go ahead and pick A for Apple or for Google. Sorry. And I've already set up an account, so it's logged me in. It'll ask for us to enable a few things. So we'll say allow, and we're going to find Backbone. We'll go ahead and allow that application and allow. This wants to allow Backbone to record audio. We're going to say yes. And then the last one is if we want to allow Backbone access here, we're going to say okay. And we'll say always and okay. There we go. And then we have our allow for notifications. We'll allow for that. And that looks like it's it. Try 30 days of Next Level Play on us for free. Go ahead and you can see it's doing a demo here of Call of Duty. And this is going through some stuff here. We'll say not now, right now. And here we go. So this is the main menu for the Backbone screen. It says scroll down to explore the home screen. So we'll just use the joystick here. So we have play with compatible cases, how to use the Xbox Remote Play. It looks like Discord, Reddit, Twitter, X, Instagram feeds there. And we've got some what's new. We've got the Game Awards for 2023, popular on Backbone, play for free. And yeah, so if we go ahead and click on that Backbone button, we can go ahead and pick a game. So if we go ahead, let's go ahead and just pick Google Play here. And it looks like we've got all these different games that we can explore. So if we have games on the phone, we can go ahead and do that. Let me just see if I have any games on here. I'm not sure if I have. I think I have Asphalt 9. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open up Asphalt 9. I'll give that a minute to load. Yeah, so it looks like we've got to play, we can hit X. And it looks like the controls are working. We can hit A. And we'll hit X again. And it looks like all the controls work. So yeah, very cool. So looking forward to testing this out and giving a full review probably within the next month. I'd like to have about a month with it to give a full review and my thoughts on it. If any of you have one of these Backbones, let me know in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching and Happy New Year.